Is Gorilla NFT is one of my favorite passive income NFTs in Solana. Thank you for joining, and I just want to say welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, but today I'm bringing you the best passive income NFTs on Solana, the best blockchain out there for trading NFTs. Believe me. Why? Because the cheap trading fees make it easy and fast. Plus, is the most scalable blockchain out there. I love it. I love Avalanche and Ethereum, but Solana is what I love for NFTs. So let's get right into it. Gorilla NFT. Why I love it. As you can see, they have partnered with different experiences and tokenized real estate into Loom, just like this one, Ekumal. So it says right here, do you know that staking 5 gorillas give you access to our villas and tree houses into Loom? Ekumal, 50% sold out. So this project is eco-friendly project, just like where I'm at. That's why I love it. Plus, they are also partnering with the eco-friendly businesses like this real estate development that is focused on being super eco-friendly. Let's click on it. Ekumal right here. You can go follow them. And they are, as you can see here, they have Shelva, which is the passive income token that you earn by having one of these gorillas. So as you can see, these businesses in real life and others are already accepting cryptocurrencies as form of payment. So these ones, my favorite one because of that. Other projects are also giving passive income, but they're not already tied into the real world yet. But they're probably even giving more yield, but the token is not even tradable for stuff in the real world. So it's a give and take. If you want to take your passive income and trade it for the real world, probably you want to go with Gorilla. If you want to keep your money on the cloud, I have a perfect example right here of what's a good one. Right here we have a cheap one. It's called Cheetah Coalition. So the Cheetah Coalition, as you can see, these cheetahs, they also earn you passive income. Right now it's 0.69 to buy one of these ones. It's a collection of 2,222, and right now each one of these ones is gonna be making you like $3 to $4 a day in their coin called Spot. Let me just go into their socials real quick. So with Cheetah Coalition, they have 2,700 followers. As you can see, they are right here in Magic Eden in the popular collections. So right now you're getting in early. And these ones, you're gonna see that they have just a lot of people joining lately, and they have the tokenomics model right here. So you see, they're gonna inject 700 Solana, around $89,000 into the liquidity pool for their DAO, and the token is called Spot, as you can see here. Every time you withdraw Spot, it's gonna be faced with a little tax depending on how much you stake it for. So if you leave it for 7 days, you're gonna take 15% of tax. If you leave it for 14 days, that tax goes down to 11%. You leave it for 21 days, then that tax goes down to 7%. And all those taxes are used to fuel the liquidity pool, which is making the value of the token go up. Very similar to the gorillas. So as you can see, to the first project I was telling you about, right here, Gorilla, it's 4,000 of them, so it's double the supply of the cheetahs, but they are 1.44 Solana. So they're also double the price of the gorillas, of the cheetahs. Let me tell you why. Because this project is actually having real life utility. As you can see right here, Gorilla is the first of a kind Solana NFT project that combines algorithmically generated pixel art with real world impact. Users can mint or collect the gorillas and access different gorilla tree houses currently being built into Loom. And not only the ones that are being built for the project themselves, but they also partner with other projects like I showed you before that are already having all these developments being built and available for usage. So you're able to redeem your passive income token from Gorilla in all these amazing Ekumal spaces. You can see yoga. They have events that they had those ones in February for the 2222 abundance activation. So a lot of spirituality involved in these communities. As you can see, it's beautiful out here in the jungle. So if you want to be part of this ecosystem, of this community, check this out. Ekumal and Gorilai bringing you the best experiences in the real world, connecting with NFTs. Now, another thing I want to mention about Gorilai NFT is if you go into their Twitter, is that the matcha brand that they have in real life has also integration with the Shelva upcoming. So just like you see right here, that the Stone Apes, right? It's probably the best example of passive income. If you can afford a Stone Ape, go for it. And as you can see, they just released their in real life CBD brand. So guess who's already doing the same? Gorilla NFT. Let me just show you. Because they have a lot of stuff in real life. Like you can see that the Gorilla DAO already planted over 400 trees in Uganda. That's a certificate from March 5th with Matt Hill, the Chief Environmental Evangelist from One Tree Planted. So that's some real life utility right there. Now, like the tokenized real estate, like I explained earlier. And as you can see right here, the mint for the Gorilla is going to end on 420. So they're going to be smoking some joints and celebrating sell out. So if you want to get in this project, make sure you get in as soon as possible. They're merging Web3 utilities with real world businesses. There are docs devs, 50% of share with the DAO. You can redeem vacation rewards in real life events and restaurants. They're also doing beach cleanups, turning plastic into fuel, staking Shelva, like I said before, and some of the professionals that are working with them are ex-Airbnb or Abercrombie. So, I mean, it's a stacked team, just to say the least. As you can see right here, don't miss the way. Shelva benefits tokenized real estate, discounted mints on other projects, and the upcoming own collections, exclusive events, and masterminds like the one upcoming on April 17th. You can buy matcha and ice cream. That's what I was going to tell you about. Hotels, restaurants, villa, and the breeding system. Don't forget that the gorillas are going to be able to breed with the second collection of aliens to get gorilla babies. And those are going to be just, I'm going to spoil it because I know a lot of the information from knowing some of the teams, but you just got to have to stay tuned. Remember, the mint closes on 420. As you can see, the cheetahs is a great example of another project. And this is a token, guys. This is a token that Gorilla is bringing to you guys, the Shelva token for passive income. And I'm just going to give you a bonus project. It's called Cats on Crack. It's going crazy, number 1 or number 2 right now on Solana. So the Cats on Crack, of course, they also give you passive income. Guess what? On crack. So crack is their token. They're on Magic Eden. They have crazy volume, and it's because they have this staking system as well. As you can see, the floor for these ones right now is at 20 Solana, and they already produce over 78,000 Solana in secondary volume. That's insane royalties for the artists on lifetime, and they're just great art, great project, great community, and in the tokenomics, which is the most important part of it as well, is great because they're rewarding every cat with 4 tokens of crack a day. 4 tokens a day. That's a passive income mechanism they're doing, and this is gonna be able to be redeemable for a lot of merchandise and different aspects of the project, just like the Gorilla NFT. So I just stay tuned and make sure you mint. Join the Discord if you have any questions. Send me a message, and I'll catch you guys in the next edition. Make sure you also stay tuned in my Twitter because I drop all the alpha in there, and as well some extra pieces in the Discord for exclusive holders. Goodbye.